Let's bring on the program Jallow Waziri, who is the head of capital markets at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Is joining us from downtown Lagos to speak to what happens next week. Good morning, Jallow Waziri. We appreciate your coming through on the program.
Good morning, boss.
Yeah, before we step into the workshop next week, and you have an array of speakers, home and abroad, who will speak to this, give us a snapshot of exchange-traded funds markets in Nigeria since we started aggressively introducing these various products from the exchange side, and the market operators who are also coming on this platform to bring derivatives into the Nigerian market space.
All right, boss. As you know, the thing about it that is a growing asset class we have in the world, and that should not be any different from other markets, being that we're all interlinked. Now, a couple of issuers have come into the market, and so far we have 8 ETFs that are currently being traded in the stock exchange. They range from a commodity ETF, which is being listed as New Gold in partnership with Betiva, as well as our Nigeria Stock Exchange Index 30, as well as an S&P bond index. So a variety of growth we've seen within the space of short time in terms of the ETF market here we have today. However, in understanding what an ETF is, they're typically exchange-traded products that are listed in the market based on an index or a commodity, just like we have in our market, and they typically track that index or commodity and derive their value from it, and it reflects a variety of instruments in one basket which you can use to invest under a single platform.
Okay, so it looks like, well, the ETFs market in Nigeria is growing. It's still early days, as it were. So what do you aim to achieve with next week's workshop? Is it just about looking at other variants of product offerings? Is it about strategies of investing? Is it about the benefits? Is it about the risks? What exactly do you look to achieve?
So for us in the exchange for the particular seminar we're having on Monday, the idea is to, first of all, create awareness. What is an ETF? How is it tracked? How do you value it? What are the benefits that you get from investing in an ETF? And so the idea is to bring in stakeholders, from investors, from even our brokers, to pension fund administrators, and also just general wide market audience, to be able to bring those experts out of MSCI, S&P, and a leader out of South Africa who is an ETF expert, to come and tell us how it has been done in other markets, so that they begin to understand and appreciate the benefits of having an ETF. That is the crust of what we are going to have to discuss on that day.
Well, what's your outlook as far as the exchange-traded funds concerned in Nigeria? What's the behind the closed door projections outlook at the management level where you are at the stock exchange? What are your projections looking forward into the future? How big do you think this market will be? What type of ETFs are you looking at? Is it in oil and gas? Is it in telecoms? Is it for industrial manufacturing, for consumer goods part of the market? Is it for the banking sector? So
the idea around ETFs is that it can actually be used for a variety of underlying assets. Nigeria is a commodities market. I don't see any reason why an issuer cannot come and issue an ETF based on crude, for example, or even PMS or something. So the idea is that let's start with the basics. Let the market understand the benefits, understanding that everywhere else in the world the ETF space has grown the fastest in terms of product. And I don't think Nigeria should be any different. So the idea is, let's even understand it. Let investors understand it. Let the intermediaries understand it. And when we have those connections, and then the product issuers also begin to spread the variety of products to be brought to the market, we are likely not to be different from other markets.
Yes, so sorry to cut in there. Jallow Waziri, thank you very much for bringing us up to speed on that. See you on Monday, head of capital markets at the stock exchange. We'll be right back after the break.